Warm greetings to all you dynamic people out there. Welcome to your go-to spot for learning and growth, Modern World Dynamics. We are all about serving up informational videos on a plethora of topics, each one designed to add a spark of knowledge to your life. From the mysteries of the cosmos to the intricacies of human interactions, we've got it all. Today, we delve into the interesting process of finding a mentor. Buckle up. Finding a mentor isn't like finding a needle in a haystack. It's more like finding the perfect pair of shoes. Now imagine walking into a shoe store. Picture the endless rows of shoes, each with their unique style, fit, and purpose. This, my friends, is quite similar to the world of mentorship. Just as you wouldn't buy a pair of running shoes to wear with your tuxedo, you won't seek a mentor who specializes in finance when you're a budding artist. This is where identifying your needs comes into play. Do you need guidance in your career, personal growth, or perhaps a specific skill? Once you've identified your needs, you can start looking for mentors who align with them. Next, you wouldn't just grab the first pair of shoes you see, would you? No, you'd probably research a bit. You'd read reviews, compare prices, maybe even ask a friend for their opinion. Similarly, don't rush into a mentoring relationship without doing your homework. Research your potential mentors, understand their expertise, their approach to mentoring, and their values. This will help you find a mentor who not only has the knowledge you seek, but also aligns with your personality and values. Now, onto the fitting room. Just as you try on different pairs of shoes to see which fit best, it's important to interact with potential mentors. This could be through an informal chat, a formal meeting, or even attending a talk or workshop they're conducting. This try before you buy approach will help you gauge if there's a genuine connection between you two. Finally, making the choice. You've identified your needs, done your research, tried on a few options, and now it's time to pick. Remember, the best mentor for you is someone who not only meets your needs, but also someone with whom you can build a trusting and respectful relationship. In conclusion, finding a mentor is a journey, not a destination. It's a process that requires patience, research, and a dash of intuition. So don't be disheartened if your first attempt doesn't work out. Keep trying, keep learning, and keep growing. Remember, just like those perfect shoes, your ideal mentor is out there waiting for you. Now you've found the perfect pair of shoes, how do you wear them? This metaphor paints a vivid picture of the mentor-protege relationship. It's not just about finding the right fit, but understanding how to navigate this dynamic relationship successfully. Imagine a mentorship as a dance. Both partners need to be in sync, communicating and understanding each other's moves. Communication is the lifeblood of a mentor-protege relationship. It's about expressing your aspirations, your challenges, and your progress. Speak up. Don't shy away from asking questions, and always be open to feedback. Remember, your mentor is not a mind reader. The more you share, the more they can guide you. The second step in this dance is commitment. A mentorship is not a casual affair. It's a pact between two individuals dedicated to each other's growth. As a protege, you must commit to the process, be consistent, and show up prepared. Your mentor, in turn, commits their time, experience, and expertise to your development. It's a relationship built on trust and reliability. Lastly, let's talk about respect. It's the glue that holds this partnership together. Mutual respect acknowledges the value each party brings to the table. As a protege, respect your mentor's time, experience, and wisdom. Appreciate their willingness to invest in you. On the flip side, mentors must respect their protege's ambition, their drive, and their potential. It's a delicate balance of admiration and understanding. But remember, it's not all solemn and serious. There's room for some laughter, some shared anecdotes, and a fair share of light-hearted moments. After all, the best mentorships often bloom into lifelong friendships. The mentor-protege relationship is a unique bond, a shared journey of growth and discovery. It's a dance that requires understanding, commitment, and respect, intertwined with a dash of fun. So lace up those shoes, find your rhythm, and get ready to dance. As you navigate this relationship, you'll discover it's about more than just personal growth. It's about forming connections, sharing experiences, and creating lasting bonds. A mentorship is a two-way street. Both parties learn, grow, and benefit. So don't just wear those shoes, dance in them. Pause. Before we continue, a quick note. We're so thrilled to have you here with us on Modern World Dynamics. We're all about providing you with quality, informative content, and we couldn't do it without your support. Each video we create is a product of extensive research and a lot of cups of tea, all to ensure we're giving you the best insights possible. So, if you're finding our content valuable and want to see more of it, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's just a small click for you, but it means a world to us. And if you're feeling particularly generous, there's a donation link in the description below. Every little bit helps us keep the lights on and the gears turning. Remember, this isn't just about supporting us, it's about fostering a community dedicated to learning and growing together. Thank you for your support. Now back to our mentor hunting journey. Let's take a detour and hear some success stories, shall we? Picture this. A young, ambitious entrepreneur meets a seasoned business veteran. The veteran takes the young entrepreneur under his wing, sharing decades of experience and business acumen. This is the story of Mark Zuckerberg and his mentor, Steve Jobs. Jobs' influence on Zuckerberg helped shape Facebook into the global powerhouse we know today. Now let's change the scenery a bit. Imagine a young writer struggling to find her voice. She meets a successful author who sees raw talent in her. The author guides her, helping her refine her craft. This is the story of J.K. Rowling and her mentor, Jessica Mitford. Mitford's guidance helped Rowling transform her initial idea into the Harry Potter series, beloved by millions worldwide. In the world of sports, mentorship stories are just as impactful. Consider the relationship between a rookie basketball player and a seasoned coach. The coach sees potential in the rookie, invests time and energy into his development. This is the story of Kobe Bryant and his mentor, Phil Jackson. Jackson's mentorship helped Bryant become one of the greatest players in NBA history. It's not just about the mentor imparting wisdom, it's about the protege soaking it in, implementing it, and even surpassing their mentor. These stories remind us of the transformative power of mentorship. It's about guidance, growth, and fostering potential. It's about the willingness to learn from someone who has walked the path before you, and the readiness to apply their wisdom to your own journey. Mentorship transcends industries and professions. It's a universal tool for success, a catalyst for growth. It's a relationship that can change the course of your career and, in some cases, your life. So wherever you are in your professional journey, remember, the right mentor can illuminate the path to success. They can be the guiding light that turns an ambitious dream into a tangible reality. Inspiring, isn't it? Your mentorship story could be next. There you have it, the winding road to finding a mentor. We've journeyed through the quest for the right mentor, explored the enriching mentor-protege relationship, and shared thrilling tales of successful mentorships. Remember, a mentor can illuminate your path, offering wisdom and guidance that can propel you forward. It's an investment in your future that pays dividends in growth and success. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Modern World Dynamics. Until next time, keep being dynamic.